Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the search not working on Outlook 2007 on your Windows 11 PC. So let me show you how to fix it. Here I'm using Outlook 2007 on Windows 11 PC. I just open it and trying to search one of the email. And you can see the search result came with no matches found for that email. Try searching again in all mail items. Also you can see search results may be incomplete because items are still being indexed. So let me show you how to fix this search issue. For that, just go to control panel and here click on indexing options and it will open indexing options window. Here just click on modify. It will open index locations window. Also you can see summary of selected locations also. So here just click Microsoft Office Outlook, expand it, uncheck personal folders and Office Outlook. So you can see it's removed from summary of selected locations also. Click OK, click close. After that, just open Outlook again and try to search the email. I'm just searching the same email again. You can see the search result came with results. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.